how easy that works, even with deep snow. This is Dave on the Crafted channel, and I'm out cleaning my driveway. Brooming light fluffy snow is a lot easier than shoveling it. I own a snowblower, but this is actually easier than getting my snowblower out. There's not much snow here today. Yesterday though, I broomed off about 2.5 inches, and that's the ridge you see there. And I didn't have to struggle with the snowblower or heave that monster around or anything. And look how quickly this goes. All you need is an ordinary shop broom. It's better if you can do this project before it's been driven on. And I've done this before where as it's snowing, I come out about every inch and a half and broom off the driveway. It's a piece of cake. Who needs a shovel when you got a broom? Look at the square footage I'm covering. So where the cement is showing through, the sun will warm that up and this will begin to melt. And in fact, I can already see spots clearing off. And even though this is a small amount, by not allowing it to be driven on, it won't be packed into ice. We have at least a week of sub 10 degree weather before it's going to get up to where this will melt. Look how easy that works, even with deep snow. Not bad, huh? So I hope you've enjoyed learning about a very easy way to care for your driveway, even a big driveway. You can do it by yourself.